When it comes to kitchen design, functionality is key, and one of the most important ingredients is ample storage. But storage that's unplanned and in the wrong place will have you doing a workout from one end of your kitchen to the other. So it's essential for storage like a pantry or appliance cupboard to be flexible and located right in the heart of your kitchen, yet easily hidden out of sight when not in use. And the perfect way to achieve this is with a Hettich folding door system or bifold door. Here we use the Hettich Wingline L folding door. It's the perfect solution for integrating storage for your most practical items right where you need them, with the flexibility to conceal everything behind seamless cabinetry doors when not in use. Opening and closing the Hettich Wingline L is done with one quick hand movement. The push-pull mechanism means there's little muscle required to open the door, making pulling open heavy doors a thing of the past. It can even accommodate large doors up to 2.4 metres high and heavy door wings weighing up to 25 kilos. These Hettich folding doors can be installed with handles or for handleless use. And because they're soft opening and closing, they run like a dream with no slamming impact. It's really the solution that allows you to hide all clutter and create a fully integrated kitchen. When the Hettich Wingline L is closed, you don't even know it's there. It can be integrated seamlessly into your kitchen next to appliances like an integrated fridge, and no one's the wiser. And better still, the Hettich Wingline L even has the flexibility to double up, so you can create a large, open storage solution right in the heart of your kitchen with a double folding door system that slides effortlessly either way, absolutely customized to suit your needs. And you don't have to stop in the kitchen. A folding door system can transform storage in your new laundry, wardrobe, linen cupboard or office to create clever hidden storage everywhere throughout your home. So if you're looking to create a functional, practical, and seamless kitchen design, look no further than a folding door system like the Hettich Wingline L.